Hey everybody, welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. Today is day 3 since the coyote attack on the ducks, and I wanted to give you guys a little update on Lucky. We've been keeping her outside with another duck for company and bringing her in at night just to give her a quiet place to recoup. And I just want to check her wounds before we set her loose today. Come here, sweetheart. Making a mess. Oh, I know. Shh. That's a good girl. So here is, the wound is completely closed up and scabbed over. That's exactly what we want to see. It's a little crusty because she's been in the dirt, but overall, she's well on the way to recovery. She did wonderful. So we're just going to go ahead and take her back and introduce her to our flock of ducks and see how she does. Ready? There she goes. It may take her a little bit to warm up to everybody, but I think she'll be all right. Or not. Alrighty guys, so that's our little update on Lucky and how she's doing. I think she's going to be just fine. If you guys have any questions about how I treated her, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'll link the video on how I treated her the day of her incident. And silly ducks. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.